Now I can start to convert the template. I begin with the header. I give it a name. And because I want to use the WordPress Customizer in my theme, I start by creating a section with the Customizer section action. I save my project and I export it, so the section will now appear as a possible choice within the related Customizer actions. Now, I add the Customizer field action to the element. I select the corresponding section and enter all the field settings. Here, I want to be able to customize the background image. Again, I save my project and export it. This time, I will use the Command W keyboard shortcut to proceed. Now, I can switch to WordPress and see the result. I click on Customize. I go to my new header settings section, and now I can customize my header background image. Of course, the result is visible on the front end. Important thing, I can also visualize the result by using the preview feature. And in the next video, I will convert the header content.